Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn to use Excel efficiently and straightforwardly. This video tutorial will walk you through the steps you need to take to make the most out of this useful feature. So, let's get started. To add a new row to the data table, choose where it should go by clicking on the row header on the left side of the table. When inserting a new row, make sure to click the row immediately beneath the spot where you would like the new row to be. We can quickly insert a row using a shortcut key in two ways. To do this, press and hold down the Control key, then press the plus sign. This is the quickest and easiest way to insert a row. We have completed our task. The new row has been successfully added. Using a keyboard with a number pad on the right side can make it easier to access this shortcut. Now, let's select a different part of the data table, and we can explore another helpful shortcut key to insert a row in Excel. To access this shortcut, press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard while also pressing the I and R keys simultaneously. We have successfully added a new row to the table. If you need help remembering which keys to press after holding down the Alt key, remember that the letter I stands for Insert and the letter R stands for Row. You don't need to have a numeric pad on your keyboard in order to use this shortcut. You can utilize both keyboard shortcuts to insert multiple rows quickly and easily. To complete the task, the same steps must be followed. You can choose any number of rows to add and insert them into the desired location. We will select 4 rows, then use either of the shortcut keys we discussed earlier to insert them into the document. That's all there is to it. There are now 4 additional rows. If you're looking for additional helpful shortcuts for Excel, check out Sheet Leveler's video tutorials for great tips. The tutorial instructions can be found in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.